Broccoli, often referred to as a superfood, is a nutritional powerhouse packed with vitamins and minerals that can significantly enhance overall health. One of the primary benefits of consuming broccoli regularly is its high content of antioxidants, particularly vitamin C and sulforaphane. These compounds help combat oxidative stress in the body, reducing inflammation and lowering the risk of chronic diseases such as heart disease and cancer. Incorporating broccoli into your diet can therefore serve as a protective measure against various health issues. Another compelling reason to include broccoli in your meals is its impressive fiber content. Fiber is essential for maintaining a healthy digestive system, and broccoli is one of the best sources. Regular consumption of fiber-rich foods helps promote regular bowel movements, prevents constipation, and supports a healthy gut microbiome. Moreover, a fiber-rich diet can aid in weight management by promoting a feeling of fullness, helping to curb overeating. Broccoli is also an excellent source of essential vitamins and minerals, including vitamin K, folate, and potassium. Vitamin K plays a crucial role in bone health by aiding in calcium absorption and promoting proper blood clotting. Folate is important for cell division and is particularly beneficial for pregnant women, as it helps prevent neural tube defects in developing fetuses. Potassium helps regulate blood pressure and supports heart health, making broccoli a fantastic choice for those looking to improve their cardiovascular well-being. Additionally, incorporating broccoli into your diet can support the body's detoxification processes. The presence of glucosinolates in broccoli activates certain enzymes that assist the liver in breaking down various toxins and carcinogens. This detoxifying effect can contribute to a healthier body and a lower risk of developing certain types of cancer. Eating broccoli regularly is, therefore, a delicious and effective way to enhance your body's natural defense mechanisms. Finally, the beneficial compounds found in broccoli may also promote better brain health. Studies suggest that the antioxidants in broccoli, particularly sulforaphane, can help protect the brain from age-related decline and may improve cognitive function. Regular intake of this cruciferous vegetable is linked to a reduced risk of neurodegenerative diseases such as Alzheimer's and Parkinson's disease. By including broccoli in your diet, you not only boost your physical health, but also contribute to maintaining a sharp mind as you age. Subscribe if you thought this was helpful.